our energy service provider, who we get all of our LED lights from, that we've done different utility upgrades with, they've partnered with a company that has an amazing technology that we've contracted to move forward with. So we're going to have air quality monitors that we're putting in place that measures the particulate matter in the air, measures the VOCs, the temperature, the humidity, and we can get dashboards. So you can walk into a room, and if it's green, there's no, you know that the particulate matter, the virus, the bacteria, the VOCs that's in the air is at a good level. If it's yellow or red, you got to do something about it. Now, I don't necessarily want to put these monitors up, have everybody see red and walk out. Right. So what do we do about it? So they have two things. They partner with Samsung on this, and it's an amazing technology that I can't wait to put in place. So now we'll have the monitors, but we can spray titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide is in so many things. It's in sunscreen, it's in yogurt, it's in paint, it's in all these different things. It's just a very known product out there. And if you saw on TV when the pandemic hit in China, in Asia, they were outside spraying a lot. They were spraying titanium dioxide, because when titanium dioxide interacts with the sun, it cleans, it sanitizes the air. And so what the manufacturer of the LED lights that we have, they are able to put a UVA emitter in the lights that acts like the sun.
Like a spray.
And so now when it interacts with the titanium dioxide, we can spray with the UVA emitters in the light, and it's constantly cleaning and sanitizing the air. It's the only product that I've seen.
Almost like having sunlight inside the room.
Exactly.
So we talked about how outside being in the sunlight, and then we've all heard about sort of like bacteria dies usually pretty quickly.
Correct.
In sunlight. Yeah.
That's exactly. And the UVA is really cool. Most of us see UVC. It's the blue light. There's a lot of those robots that you can see that go out and do that, but you can't look at that. That's harmful. The UVA is less than the light coming off your cell phone. So it's very low level light. It's very, so we can have it in our LED lights, and it's constantly interacting. What I love about it, it's the only thing I've seen that actually fights all the time and in the air. Almost all the other spray that's out there, it's surface spray, and you still got to clean your surfaces. So this is, we'll spray titanium dioxide once, and it'll last 3 to 5 years. 5 years on surfaces that you don't touch often, like your ceiling, 3 years on your desks and things that you touch regularly. So think about, like, the way my simple mind works, it's kind of like one of those, like a bug zapper. A bug comes up, it zaps.
Right.
So now somebody comes in, they sneeze, the titanium dioxide is interacting with the UVA, and it's killing it in the air.
Right. So you're going to get lower spread, hopefully make the environment itself even cleaner. But from what I'm getting from you, I don't get a suntan, though.
You do not get a suntan.
All right. Clean air, but no suntan. All right. 50-50 on that.
Exactly.
All right, nice.